Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Douchebags, also called DB Journey CIA, in the color Blackout. This is the little bag that goes inside one of the douchebag bags. But you can also use it for other stuff, for just storing maybe, but most likely you're on this video because you think of buying the CIA. There's also the CIA Pro, which is bigger, but I thought for me, I'm not a huge video guy, but I would get the CIA because my camera is small. Anyway, let's get into it. Here on the side, we'll just rip it apart, and a second tape, and let's get it out. So here you can already see the logo DB, and also here this is the CIA. Come on, focus. No, okay. The CIA Blackout. Great camera work. Comes with a little hello note. Anyway, let's get into it. Right off the bat, I see on the side there's like a little it's called Velcro. Sorry, English is not my my first language. Anyway, on the sides we have this one again. Not sure. Maybe you can probably plug it into the backpack. So let's get right to it. Okay, let's get right to it. But before I get into it, here on the side you have these straps to attach it to the other douchebag bags, which I think is a nice feature to have. But they're all also maybe a bit heavy, those. Maybe you could take those off if you are sure you're not gonna need it. Probably like me. But anyway, let's have it open. Well, let's have it open all the way. Well, it feels a bit sturdy to open. Ooh. So I have the foil away, out of the way, and this is what it looks like. You could play tic-tac-toe here, or you can stow your cameras in here, or your accessories, or basically anything else that you want to have organized. Maybe like a little backpack, maybe your cables in here, maybe in here your drone in like a bigger compartment, and maybe here what else could you put? Some snacks or valuables that can't be like shouldn't be with all the other stuff in your backpack, or just camera gear. The interesting thing here is that you can actually put those little things however you want. So you have like Velcro. Again, I'm not sure if that's the right word. Velcro here that sticks basically to all the material inside. So you can basically put it anywhere. Have different combinations, however big you want this thing to be. The normal CIA doesn't come with a zipper up here to put more stuff, but I don't use this. Probably I'm just gonna put it like this and inside my backpack, maybe just closed up, but so things don't fall out. But yeah, and this you can just put in. Let's see, like this, and then click. Probably better with two hands, but you know, we'll try to make it work. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was me unboxing the Douchebag CIA. I hope you have an amazing day. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and bye bye.